Hi. Okay, so first up in the series is the Click and Grow that we use. We bought these two Click and Grow 9s, which you'll see, and that's where we grow our lettuce, our kale, our chives, parsley, start new seeds of other stuff. So here we go.
So hello.
Enjoy.
So this is the start of this series. We're going to go through some things. This is a Click and Grow. It has kale, chives, parsley, and thyme growing in it. And then we have celery now growing under their own grow lights that was started in a Click and Grow. I'm going to talk about that. And then we have our lettuce guy. And we actually have some sprouts, mason jar sprouts, as well as we also have a tray of sunflower sprouts that'll be covered off as well. So I'm just going to, what I'm going to show you here, these are the pods that you get. This one is green lettuce. And that's what it looks like. It's just a little pod. So then you take that pod, and the Click and Grows have water underneath, and I'll show you this in just a sec here. I'll bring this guy over. So this is a pod. So this little stem, there's water in there, and this has a little wick that wicks it up into the top. So you just pop that little pot I just showed you in here, put the lid on it, put the little, what they call a greenhouse dome, and pop it in there, and they start to grow. Now they also have ones that are like those pods, but with no seeds in them. And that is what I use to do celery seeds, because celery sprouts are absolutely fantastic. I just need to check the water in this anyway today. So the lettuce over there, oops, there is green lettuce right here, but all of these other lettuces, they are an actual seed pellet of a mixture. It's called a salad mixture, and I get it from Stoke Seeds, and it's amazing. I also get the celery pellets from Stoke Seeds. So what happens with the celery, because it is gonna grow to be, like this high, at least. And they're like little tiny Barbie celery stalks. They're fabulous. The taste that explodes in your mouth is just amazing. So what I do is I let them get to be about this height in the Click and Grow. And then I take them out and I put them in a mason jar. Now this particular method is called the Kratky method. So it's just hydroponic, it's just water. So I have this neti pot, and I had a friend of mine cut the bottoms out of that. And the reason for that is when I put this pod in there, I want it to come down like this so that the roots are going to be in the water and grow like crazy. I also have a 1 liter jug that I use the Schultz liquid plant food in. And that's what I use to water everything, whether I'm putting it in the Click and Grow or putting it in the Kratky, or putting it, well, actually I don't do sprouts with that. I just the Click and Grow and the Kratky, guys. So what we have here is a mason jar, and I put camo tape on it, And I have left a little strip open here. And I've left that strip open so that I can judge the water system, right? So yesterday I popped this little guy out of its pod from the Click and Grow and popped it in so that it, you know, went down. Look at all those beautiful little roots in there. They're amazing. And it also stabilizes it a little bit, but I also put little clay pebbles up top just to keep the plant just a little bit more, you know, not so it's not, it can't wobble around, right? Don't want it to wobble around. So I'll probably start another celery plant probably in about another 4 or 5 days. But for now, we have this guy. He has his own spectrum lights that he will grow under, and that's a happy thing. And that's how we grow our celery sprouts. So, on to the next challenge.